Italy, a beautiful country in southern Europe, known for its rich history, art, culture, and cuisine. Famous cities like Rome, Venice, Florence, and Milan offer a glimpse into Italy's vibrant culture and stunning architecture. Italy's boot-shaped peninsula extends into the Mediterranean Sea, with the islands of Sicily and Sardinia adding to its charm. Italy's deep appreciation for art, music, and fashion is evident through its Renaissance art, opera, and renowned fashion brands like Gucci and Prada. Italian cuisine is celebrated worldwide, with dishes like pasta, pizza, risotto, and a wide variety of cheeses and wines to indulge in. Italy's rich historical heritage includes the Roman Empire, which once ruled a significant part of the known world, and the birthplace of the Renaissance period. As a top tourist destination, Italy offers a plethora of attractions, from historical sites and museums to beautiful coastlines and picturesque countryside. Italian, the official language, is widely spoken, and English is also commonly understood, especially in tourist areas. Italy's diverse economy thrives in industries like automotive manufacturing, fashion, and tourism, contributing to its global significance. Embark on a delightful journey through history, art, cuisine, and breathtaking landscapes in Italy. Buon viaggio! Immerse yourself in the Renaissance art of the Uffizi Gallery and Galleria dell'Accademia in Florence. Experience the beauty of Florence Cathedral, also known as Duomo, as you stroll through the historic center. Indulge in the delicious Florentine steak and treat yourself to the creamy delight of authentic gelato. Embark on a gondola ride along the enchanting canals of Venice and explore the iconic St. Mark's Square. Discover the art of glassblowing in the charming island of Murano and admire the colorful houses of Burano. Savor the flavors of seafood risotto and cicchetti, delightful small snacks, in Venice. Drive along the breathtaking Amalfi Coast, making stops in the picturesque towns of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Relax on the stunning beaches and relish the flavors of fresh seafood with magnificent ocean views. Embark on a hike along the Path of the Gods and be rewarded with panoramic vistas of the Amalfi Coast. Explore the charming towns of Siena, San Gimignano, and Pienza in the beautiful region of Tuscany. Tour the vineyards in Chianti and indulge in wine tasting, experiencing the flavors of Tuscany. Treat your taste buds to Tuscan cuisine, including the hearty ribollita and flavorful pappardelle with wild boar. Embark on a scenic hike along the coastal trails connecting the colorful villages of Cinque Terre. Delight in the taste of local pesto and seafood dishes, capturing the essence of Cinque Terre. Take a refreshing swim in the crystal-clear waters of the Ligurian Sea in Cinque Terre. Immerse yourself in the rich history of Naples as you visit the Naples Archaeological Museum. Indulge in the world-famous Neapolitan pizza, a culinary delight in the city of Naples. Step back in time and explore the ancient ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum, preserved by Mt. Vesuvius. Discover the historic city of Palermo and bask in the beauty of the stunning beaches of Taormina in Sicily. Explore the ancient wonders of the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, Sicily. Indulge in the sweet delight of Sicilian cannoli and savor the flavors of arancini, a Sicilian specialty. Experience the beauty of Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper, at Santa Maria del Grazie. Indulge in a shopping spree in Milan's fashion district and immerse yourself in the latest trends. Marvel at the grandeur of Milan Cathedral, also known as Duomo, a true architectural masterpiece. Savor the flavors of Milan with a plate of delicious risotto alla Milanese and tender osso buco. Step into the romantic atmosphere of Verona, the enchanting city that inspired Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Relax and unwind by the shores of Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake, surrounded by picturesque lakeside towns.